Time leaves its mark on everything. Steel fades, paint peels, and even legends can be forgotten. This is a 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Once built to conquer mountains, deserts, and unforgiving terrain. A machine designed not for comfort, but for survival. But years of exposure, neglect, and harsh conditions have taken their toll. Rust has crept into the body. The paint has lost its color. Parts are missing. Nothing works the way it once did. To some, this vehicle looks finished, a relic of the past, too far gone to matter anymore. But beneath the corrosion, the soul remains. The frame still stands strong. The shape still carries history. And within this worn metal is the foundation of something worth saving. Restoration is not about speed, it is about patience. Every bolt removed, every surface cleaned, every layer of rust stripped away. Piece by piece, the damage is undone. What was once hidden beneath dirt and decay slowly begins to breathe again. This process is not easy. There are setbacks. There are moments where progress feels invisible. But step by step, the Land Cruiser moves closer to its former strength. As new life returns to old metal, this machine becomes more than a project. It becomes a reminder that durability is not about never breaking, but about being rebuilt. And when the work is finally done, what stands before us is no longer a forgotten vehicle. It is a revived icon, a second chance on four wheels.